Hello everyone, today we're gonna be unboxing the new Eufy C20 Robo Vacuum. So in the box you have a quick visual user guide. Here's your main unit. This Robovac features dual sweeping and mopping modules. It is also equipped with a robust 7000 Pascal suction, a rolling brush, and a side brush. This Robovac also features a Pro Detangle comb that flips down to loosen and remove tangled hair from the brush. Here's your home and power button. This is my first vacuum that has a LiDAR laser technology, and this is how it navigates and maps your home. Here's the charging station with the clean and dirty water container. On the left you have your clean water reservoir. Here's how it looks like underneath the charger, where all the automatic cleaning is done for you. It can auto empty, wash, and auto dry your mop without touching it. To remove the dust internal container, pull the top cover, take the handle, and pull it out just like that. The filter can be easily removed by pulling the plastic cover for easy cleaning. Turn it on, just hold power button for 3 seconds. To take advantage of the automated features, install the Eufy app from the App Store or Google Play. After installing it, log in your Eufy account or sign up for a new account. After logging in, add your device Omni C20 Robovac from the list, or you can type in the model from the search bar. Next, make sure to turn on your device, then tap Next. Next, reset the Wi-Fi connection by pressing the home and power button at the same time for 3 seconds.
Wi-Fi has been reset. Follow the instructions in the app to connect to the network.
After that, press the Next button. Next, enable all these features from the list. After enabling all those permissions, then tap Start Connecting. It will search for your device. It should show you your C20 from the list. Tap Connect. Tap the Wi-Fi network box to scan your Wi-Fi. Select your network from the list and enter your Wi-Fi password. After entering the password, tap Next. It will take a few minutes to process the request.
Wi-Fi connection successful.
Now that it's done, you can now program your device schedule and take advantage of all the features. If it's your first time connecting the device, there might be a firmware update notification on your screen. Go ahead and update your device to make sure that your device is fully updated. Through the app, you can view what is the current status of your vacuum. It will also show you an animated icon of the activity. While the Robovac is cleaning, you can also see where is the live location through the app. Using the app, you can set your preferred cleaning method. You can either mop and vacuum, mop only, or just vacuum cleaning. There are 4 power suction settings in the app. You have Quiet Mode, Standard, Turbo, and Max. I usually use Turbo for my schedule. There's also settings for your water usage. You can set it to high or low. For home cleaning method, you can choose which room you want to clean instead of cleaning the whole house. You can also set a no-go zone and no-mop zone. In base station settings, you can manually clean mop, dry, or empty dust from vacuum. If you want to set the length and frequency of cleaning, just tap base station settings at the bottom and change all presets in this section. To conserve battery and clean specific areas of your room, simply use the zone cleaning feature to focus on targeted spots without wasting energy on other parts of your room. To set your schedule, tap the cogwheel settings icon on the top right corner. Tap Schedules and tap plus icon to set your time and day of your preference. If you have a toddler like me, enable Child Lock to disable all buttons while your kids are around. To avoid your vacuum from auto return cleaning at night, just enable Do Not Disturb feature. You can also set vacuum to increase suction powers when it detects your carpet by turning on Boost IQ feature. You can also set it to avoid or just disable mopping if it detects your carpet. If you don't want to keep adjusting settings for your routines, you can also create quick actions, set all your preference, rename it, and save it. These quick actions or scenario will show up in your dashboard and will act as buttons for you to tap according to your cleaning needs. And this is how it sounds when auto emptying the dust container from the vacuum. To remove the main dust container, just simply pull the cover on both sides and pull the container with its handle. When Robovac accidentally sucks in water to your dust collector, this is what's gonna happen. It will leak and drip over your vacuum. Make sure not to vacuum a lot of water like I did. If this happens, just remove Robovac underneath and remove dust container, then dry it before reinserting it again. After 5 days of use, this is how the mop and brush look. The mop retained its original form well, and the brush managed to stay relatively free of tangles. The only issue I noticed was that both ends of the roller brush still collected some hairs, but removing them manually wasn't too difficult. To clean the side brush, simply unscrew it and remove any stuck hairs. To install vac roller brush, make sure that this tip will go in first, then the other side of brush. Then insert the plastic cover. This is definitely a huge upgrade to my previous left-hand vacuum. It mapped out my apartment pretty accurately and seems efficient and effective. I love how it updates me in the app what it's doing, and it was easy setup. Only thing I wish they can improve is the avoidance of small objects like wires, slippers, and small toys. So make sure that all the wires are out of the way before scheduling this machine. Other than that, I have no complaints so far. I also love the way this machine cleans and even dries itself. I am so impressed with this machine and I definitely recommend it. I've added the link in the description if you want to check it out. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next one.